Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to Englam, your bright light to better English and a better life. Today's video is special, powerful, and peaceful. Today, we are going to talk about two wonderful journeys, the journey of yoga and the journey of learning English. Both can change your life, both can shape your future, and both begin with one simple step or decision to start. Let's imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you stretch your body, you breathe slowly, you sit quietly, and then you say a sentence in English. You say, "Today I choose to grow." That moment is yoga. That sentence is learning. And that habit is transformation.
Lessons train are part of my daily life. Yoga transformed me and gave me relief. That's why I practice yoga regularly.
Day, it has nurtured and enriched my life. Practice yoga to live life to its full potential.
Yoga every day. It has nurtured and enriched my life. Yoga. Live life to its full potential. Yoga must be done with proper guidance and consultation.
You see, yoga and English are more connected than people think. While yoga gives you control over your breath, English gives you control over your voice. Yoga helps you calm your mind, English helps you express your mind. When you do both together, you grow not just in your body, but in your confidence, your communication, and your career. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale, hold, exhale. And now say with me, I am calm. I am learning. I am becoming better. Beautiful. Yoga began in India over 5,000 years ago. It was a quiet gift to the world. It taught people how to live with balance, how to connect with their inner self, and how to find peace in every breath. Today, yoga is not just Indian, it's global, it's universal, it belongs to everyone. The word yoga means union, a connection between the body, the mind, and the soul. But in today's world, we can also say this: yoga is the union between health and happiness, and English is the union between confidence and communication. Together, they make you unstoppable. Let me tell you a story. A young girl from a small village in Tamil Nadu practiced yoga every morning. She was shy. She didn't speak English, but she had a dream to become a teacher. Every day after yoga, she listened to English podcasts, practiced her phrases, and repeated after videos just like this one. 1 year later, she gave her first speech in English, and today she teaches in a school in Chennai. This is the power of yoga. That's the power of English. And most importantly, that is the power of self belief. Now say this with me: yoga is my energy, English is my expression. I'm growing every day. Across the world, people are adopting yoga and English together. In America, actress Jennifer Aniston practices yoga regularly. She once said, "Yoga keeps me centered, focused, and strong." And guess what? She also encourages people to use their voice and speak kindly, something yoga also teaches. In India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made yoga a global movement.
Friends, yoga enhance our quest for a healthier planet. It has emerged as a force for unity and deepens the bonds of humanity. It does not discriminate. It goes beyond race, color, gender, faith, and nations. Anybody can embrace yoga. All you need is some part of your time and empty space. Yoga is giving us not only the physical strength, but also mental balance and emotional stability to confidently negotiate the challenges before us. Friends, if we can fine tune our course of health and hope, the day is not far away when world will witness the success of healthy and happy humanity. Yoga can definitely help us make this happen.
Every year, millions of people join the International Yoga Day, and they also learn English to connect with the world. He said, Yoga is India's gift to the world. It brings health, hope, and harmony. Even in Japan and Germany, yoga studios are combining yoga classes with English learning. Students do breathing exercises and repeat English phrases at the same time. They learn to say, I am present, I am peaceful, I am learning English with joy. Simple words, big impact. Let's try it now. Sit straight. Take a deep breath and say, my breath is deep. My words are clear. I am confident in English. There's a quote I love: the body benefits from movement, the mind benefits from stillness, the world benefits from your voice. That is what this video is about. Move your body through yoga, calm your mind through breathing, and build your voice through English speaking. When you learn English, you open new doors. You can get better jobs, and you can talk to more people. You can share your ideas with the world. When you do yoga, you can open your body. You become flexible, and you sleep better, and you feel more peaceful. And when you do both, you become a complete vision of yourself. Let me give you another real example. A software engineer from Kerala used to struggle in office meetings. He was great at work, but his English made him nervous. He started doing 15 minutes of yoga every day, just simple stretches and deep breathing. Then he listened to English for 15 minutes daily. In 3 months, his team noticed a change. He started speaking slowly, clearly, with better posture and calmness. That's what yoga does. It builds your confidence from the inside. And that's what English does. It helps you show that confidence on the outside. Now repeat after me. Yoga gives me peace. English gives me power. I use both to grow stronger. If you are a student, yoga can help you focus better. You can sit longer and study with more energy. And English can help you explain your ideas in exams. If you are a teacher, yoga can help you stay calm in class. And English can help you teach beyond your textbook. If you are working in an office, yoga helps you stay stress free. And English helps you shine in meetings and presentations. This is not just motivation, this is practical truth. Even global companies now offers yoga sessions at work, and they provide English communication classes too because they know healthy people and confident speakers make the best teams. Do you want to speak fluent English? If yes, try speaking while doing yoga. When you stretch your arms, say, I'm open to learning. When you bend forward, say, I'm grounded and humble. When you close to your eyes to meditate, say, I speak clearly, I think clearly, I act clearly. Your brain will remember it better, and your heart will feel it deeper. Let's do it together now. Inhale and say, I am learning. Exhale and say, I am confident. Once again, inhale, I am peaceful. Exhale, I speak English with ease. This is how we practice both breathe and words. Yoga is not just for fitness, and English is not just for exams. Both are tools for living well, working better, and becoming your best self. You don't need to be a perfect. You just need to start. One pose, one sentence, one breath, one word. That's enough. As the famous quote goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your journey begins today. So tell me in the comments, what is your favorite yoga pose? And what English sentence do you want to learn today? Let's make this space a peaceful, learning friendly community. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope this video made you feel calm, inspired, and ready to grow. Remember, your body listens to the moment, your mind listens to stillness, and the world listens to your words. This is Nitin from England, signing off with the love and light. Keep practicing yoga, keep speaking English, and keep shining every day. Bye bye.